So today, I will show you how to attach the EA on the chart of the instrument you've been trading for. Steps in MT4 platform when you attach the EA. 1. Download the EA from your email. 2. Locate the downloaded EA from your email and copy it. 3. Open MT4 platform in your PC. 4. In the upper left corner click File, click Open. Data folder. Click MQL4 folder, click Expert folder. Paste it there, right click and click Refresh. 5. Go back to your MT4 platform. At the left side, inside the navigation bar one left click the Expert Advisor. Then right click it, click Refresh, you will see the EA that you have been pasted there. 6. Double click the EA, you will see the image below and please follow. Look, once this EA attached on your chart, the EA starts to scan immediately if your broker name and trading account are verified by our EA developer. If it is, the EA will run on your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platform. Just make sure that the Auto Trading button section turns to green, and the emoji of the EA at the upper right corner turns to smile. It means the EA is enabled. If your broker and trading account number are not verified by our EA developer, it means you don't have a license to use of it and you can never use this EA, as it will run only to the verified broker and account number by our EA developer. The EA will be removed from your chart in 20 seconds when the market starts. If you want the license to use this EA for free, just contact immediately the sender or the EA developer BotFX automation tool for you to request the license to use it. And will also show you the manual features of this EA for you to familiarize with the functions that will help you to assist your all open trades. Golden Shadow Trailing Profit V3 is the name of my EA. Just input the defined parameters you want based on your trading rules, risk management etc., and let this EA take in charge of it for you. The EA will assist to all open trades you have regardless of what symbol it is. The input parameters of this EA are percent of profit. Defined input is in percent of minimum profit set calculated in currency to start trailing the percentage profit set. Minimum profit. Defined input is in currency net profit including swaps and commissions. When this input parameter hits the percentage profit set will start trailing and close all pending orders. Enable stop loss. Setting this input true will enable your input parameter of your stop loss. Once the stop loss hits, all pending orders and open trades will be closed. Setting this input false, you can play around the market by hedging your trades to minimize losses. Stop loss. Defined input is in currency net loss including swaps and commissions. When this input parameter hits, it will close all pending orders and open trades. Slippage. You can set any numbers not more than 30. Slippage refers to the difference between the expected price of a trade and the price at which the trade is executed. Slippage can occur at any time but is most prevalent during periods of higher volatility when market orders are used. It can also occur when a large order is executed but there isn't enough volume at the chosen price to maintain the current bid or ask spread. Steps in MT4 platform when you attach the EA. 1. Download the EA from your email. 2. Locate the downloaded EA from your email and copy it. 3. Open MT4 platform in your PC. 4. In the upper left corner click File, click Open. Data folder, click MQL4 folder, click Expert folder, click Advisor folder and paste it there, right-click and click Refresh. 5. Go back to your MT4 platform. At the left side, inside the navigation bar left click the Expert Advisor. Then right-click it, click Refresh you will see the EA that you have been pasted there. 6. Double-click the EA you will see the image below and please follow.